Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Pretty much in this video, I'm going to be talking about something that I came up with, pretty much my own designs. I made my own clothes, made my own masks, made my own iPhone cases, smartphone cases, Android cases, things like that. Made my own design. Now I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I made a little store. It's called David's Store of Creation. Now this is what I've been doing. I've been working on for a while now. So if you like what you see, go ahead and check out David's Store of Creations. And if you like what you see, you can purchase anything. And I'm going to be doing more designs. So further ado, here we go. This is David's store. Well, David's Store of Creation. Pretty much my creations that I've done. I ordered this one right here. Save a life, save a breath. I'm going to be doing another video on this so that you guys can see. Look at that. Samsung cases, stickers. You know, I don't only do that. I do more stickers, a tote bag, tank tops. You know, I got all kinds of stuff. And I even do baby stuff. I can do baby stuff. I can do hoodies. You know, fanny packs. Fanny packs. This is just some of the stuff. And this is the one that I recently done on a mask. Keep calm, you got this. Keep calm, you got this. And the list just goes on and on and on. I even got some t-shirts from for a self-taught DJ. Self-taught DJ. Even hoodies. And then on the back, it pretty much says DJ World for Life. You know, and I'm constantly trying to come up with more ideas. But this is just the start. This is just the start to it. I'll leave a link in the descriptions below so that you could check this out. But yeah, it's just the start. When I get my mask, the one that I ordered, it was this one right here. Like I said, save a life, save a breath. I'll do a video on that as well. But just wanted to do that real quick. Give a shout out to whoever made this, teesprings.com. Give a shout out to them. I'll even give more of a shout out when I get my mask. Save a life, save a breath. And I'll do more with that. But this is just another step for me. But like I said, I'll leave a link in the descriptions below so that you can check it out. And if you like anything, you know, or even if you want something custom made, I'll do it. I'll try my best to do it. But yeah, something new that I'm testing the waters with on this channel. Testing the waters with. So if you like what you see, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll be coming with more ideas in the near future. But like I said, I'll leave the link in the descriptions below for you to check it out. Till my next video, I'll see you guys later. Peace!